Hey everybody, I'm just going to do a short analysis of the story we read, A Worn Path. I'm just going to summarize this for everybody. I know we've read it, but I wanted to give you a quick refresher. The story is set in the late 1940s in Mississippi. It is about an elderly black woman named Phoenix who regularly travels great distance to get medicine for her sick grandson. Throughout the story, Phoenix encounters obstacles, but she never lets them slow her down. I broke these obstacles up into three different types: natural, interpersonal, and societal. In the beginning of the story, she faces natural obstacles, like when her dress was caught on the thorns and ripped up. And then we move on to when she um, encounters the hunter. This is an interpersonal obstacle. And then when she gets into the city, she's faced with societal obstacles, like the everyone's feeling of her being helpless and a charity case. Talking about the analysis of A Worn Path, the title, uh, this track really emphasizes her intense physical, mental, and moral effort to complete this journey. Even though this trip is difficult and important, she extracts pleasure from it, which further reveals her goodness of her character. Also, I feel like she's done this trek so many times that she's came up with a sense of immortality in her character. She, uh, I feel like she's discovered um, all the secrets of the universe because she's been around for so long. She even says, I have a quote here: "I, the oldest woman I ever know." Uh, so I feel like she kind of just knows what to expect and isn't afraid of death or afraid of not making it. And we have an example of how she's not afraid of death. Like when the kid offers her cake, and she really wants to take it, but it was just in her imagination. She was just really relaxed and just wanted to sit there and just eat the cake, but she knew she had to move on. Also, when the gun was pointed at her by the hunter, and she was just calm and didn't freak out. And then we talk about the strength of love. Traveling this distance is not easy, especially for an old lady like she is. But we don't. She doesn't let this stop her, um, because it's a routine for her. Uh, Even though she's an old, fragile lady, I like to think of how we don't judge a book by its cover. Because she may look on the outside like a fragile old lady, but she ends up being just a strong-hearted lady who makes the trip countless times for her grandson, no matter what. When she gets there, um, she can't even remember why she's there. She just knows the trip by heart. Um, so that just tells me how many times she's done the trip and how much it means to her. And the nurse reminded her of why she's there, and then she understood, but she just said, "Love knows the direction." Thanks, guys.